Hello, my name is C.M.Narang and I am from Milestone Projects and Services, Delhi. We are basically a MEP HVAC company providing services for the HVAC work to mainly pharmaceutical industry. Our business model involves various activities at different project sites. So the projects are at various locations, which can be anywhere pan-India. Our major problem which we were facing was that because of this project business, we were never able to identify whether we are making money or losing money in the project, which was making us uncomfortable at many situations, be it in execution or even at sales level. So while quoting also, we were not able to identify whether we have quoted correctly, because the values which we were obtaining from our existing system was not giving us this clarity. So in my understanding, after connecting with Indradhanu's consulting services, we got this major benefit that we were able to work out our profits for each project. And especially when Mr. Pankaj involved himself in correcting all the procedures with respect to tally which were being followed by our team, we got a lot of clarity and insight that how the all kind of data has to be entered in a right manner. So with that kind of hand-holding and giving all that details with respect to usage of tally, we were able to mainly work on our MIS and identify whether the projects is giving us profit and what level of profit. At the same time also understanding whether the costs are being overrun or they are within control. So these were the major benefits of getting the right information in form of MIS in especially the project business after getting associated with Pankajji and his team from Indradhanu. And also I would like to highlight here that the main benefits that we got was not only from MIS and overrun point of view, but everything is being obtained now from tally itself, which we were earlier maintaining in Excel in different forms, which was always manually done, and there were always chances of errors as these were being maintained manually. Also earlier we were thinking that we are doing accounting for the government, for the taxes, but now what we have been doing and getting this information is now for our own evaluation. So this is one of the major difference, that now whatever reports and data we are obtaining from tally, it is for our own evaluation, that whether we are making money or we are losing money. And also the tally usage has been optimized in this whole process. Means the team which were entering the data, sometimes that was also not correct, and in the right process the tally has been utilized by our team, by especially hand-holding given by Indradhanu and his team. Also many features which was not aware by our team has also been understood and now followed by them, which is constantly monitored and checked by Indradhanu, that usage of those features is done by our team. So that has also been one of the major outcome, where we have been using now tally in a very optimized manner. And now we are in a position to evaluate profit on a project wise and project basis on a real time situation, means month on month, because sometimes the projects is running into 3 months, 5 months, 6 months and even a year, but we are able to evaluate all these data and MIS on a month on month basis. So I will say overall it has really benefited us in the in a overall situation in monitoring our MIS and all project information from by using all the services by Indradhanu. Thank you so much.